How to add Outlook Calendar to iPhone. Keeping your schedule synchronized across devices is crucial for staying organized. If you use Outlook Calendar to manage your events and appointments, adding it to your iPhone can streamline your workflow. And here is how to do it. Unlock your iPhone and navigate to the Settings app from the home screen. Scroll down and tap on Passwords and Accounts to access your email and account settings. Tap on Add Account to begin the process of adding your Outlook Calendar to your iPhone. From the list of available account types, choose Outlook to proceed with adding your Outlook account. Enter your Outlook email address and tap Next to continue. Type in your Outlook account password and tap Next to proceed. Your iPhone will now verify your account details. Once verified, you'll be presented with options to sync various types of data. Make sure to toggle the switch next to Calendars to enable syncing. Tap Save or Done to save your settings and complete the setup process. Return to your iPhone's home screen and open the Calendar app to view your synced Outlook Calendar events. By adding your Outlook Calendar to your iPhone, you can easily access and manage your schedule on the go. This seamless integration ensures that you stay organized and never miss an important appointment or event. Thank you for learning how to add Outlook Calendar to iPhone. We hope this guide helps you streamline your scheduling process and stay productive. Happy calendaring! Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.